Suppose you want to query the names of all the columns which are there in a given MySQL table. How will you do that? So for that, we have this table called information underscore schema, which contains all the database related metadata as well as all the other details. For example, the names of databases which are there, names of tables which are inside those databases, what are the different user privileges, etc. So everything about the DBMS, that information is stored within information underscore schema. So essentially what you can do is to query specifics from that database. So here we are writing the query select column name from information underscore schema dot columns. So basically if this is the database, then within that database the table name would be columns, and the condition is that where table underscore schema equals to the database name and table underscore name equals to videos list. So we have this as the database and this as the table name. So when you will run this, you will get the list of all the columns which are there in this table. And let's say if you want to count how many of the columns are there, you can just have count and then it shows 10. And let's say if you want to change that table name to something else, so now let's see what are the different columns within this table. So here it shows only two columns, which is YT video and web URL. So if we click on this, you will find that we have two columns. So yeah, indeed we have two columns, and this is how we pull the data from information underscore schema. So it is very useful. You can explore various kinds of possible queries, and yeah, you would instantly know what is that table or database is made up of. And this is how even PHP MyAdmin or any other SQL related software shows you all those kinds of information. So in case you get rid of this database, then your DBMS might not work as well.
Thanks so much for watching this tutorial. If you liked it, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and if you didn't, then leave a comment so that we can improve it further. Do watch these suggested tutorials to learn even more, and do let us know what you want to learn on Being Skilled.